EagleRidge, Woodland Hills' premier roofing contractor. EagleRidge is proud to be the top roofing contractor in Woodland Hills, Utah, 84653, offering unmatched residential and commercial roofing services. Our expert team excels in new roof installations, repairs, and maintenance for materials like asphalt shingles and metal roofing. We use only premium materials and transparent pricing to ensure customer satisfaction. Every project begins with a thorough inspection, followed by detailed proposals, expert installations, and final inspections backed by extensive warranties. For residential clients, we provide services such as roof repairs, storm damage assessments, gutter installation, and siding repairs. Commercial clients benefit from flat roof installations, metal roofing systems, preventative maintenance, and more. Our team is dedicated to punctual project completion, personalized solutions, and responsive service. With EagleRidge, you're guaranteed top-quality craftsmanship that stands the test of time. Call us today at 801-784-1457 or visit our website, EagleRidgePros.com.